Are you stuck in the mid-2000s? Do you have a Nickelback poster on your wall? Did you drive an S10 Extreme? I did. Then I've got the car for you, right here. I'm Randy, this is Sho-Me Tint, and this is a 2005 SSR. It looks a little different than you're used to, but it's not slow. They put a 6.0 in this thing? So yeah, it's made to go. And retractable hard top with your rag top down so your hair can blow. You know what I'm talking about. So you can get in here and cruise around and pick up all the honeys. But the first thing we got to do is get it protected. This is actually really cool. So like it's been in a museum or something. It hasn't been drove. It needs to be drove. I'm all about driving your cars. So we got to get some film on it so they can drive it safely. This couple's super hyped and they were so nervous about leaving it. So I'm excited that they trusted me with it. This is going to be super hard. Look right here. You think I can wrap that all in one piece? I actually questioned myself on this one because it starts way up here and it goes all the way back here. And I got to pull the film this way and leave no marks in it and make it just beautiful. It's going to be hard. I can do it. I'm going to do it. It's going to be awesome. What is on here? Like 4,500 miles? Something like that? I really don't know. Oh my God, it smells brand new. It smells like 2000 in here. It does. I just feel it. It makes me miss my S10 Extreme, honestly. Where's the key at for this thing? I have no idea. Oh, I'll probably have to go up front and get the key. The key for back in time. It is literally a time capsule. These don't happen very often, but it's cool when it is. Like, look how new it is. It literally smells brand new in here. They've got some salt and pepper on the radio. What is that one? The lady that danced with the cat. Is that from the 2000? We had to start it, maybe? Oh my God. Chevrolet SSR. Ice possible. Because it's winter here in Missouri and it sucks. What are we doing? Oh, driver door door. Oh, there it is. 4194. Literally a time capsule. This poor old girl hasn't been drove hardly at all. We're gonna change that. We're gonna get some miles on the old thing. I'm excited. I'm all about driving a little bit, but taking care of them while you do. I kind of want to see it with the top down, but it's not my job, so I don't know if I can. I'll leave the key in there. Yeah, so this is a pretty unique vehicle. Like, I'm not really sure what GM was going on, but I dig it. I dig weird, unique stuff, you know, and this is really unique. So I'm assuming this is a truck bed, and then like the top retracts down into there. Hard top retractable. I've not seen very many of these, obviously. They probably came out when I first started tinting windows, believe it or not, but back then I was just so amazed that I had a cool job, so I didn't know what I was doing back then. Now this is just amazing that someone's took good care of this thing. We got to clean it up, polish it. We're going to get it all shiny for them, and we're going to wrap all these super hard pieces. They wanted the full hood, full fenders, full bumper wrapped, and we're going to do some guards on the back. Even though they kind of have these pieces here to protect it, you know, we're going to do this little piece here too, which I'm assuming is like some kind of protection that they put on there to keep this from getting beat up, but looks stylish too. I don't know. It's got some big fat chrome wheels and tires on it. I mean, I'm sure back then this was probably like a game changer. Like, you're probably like, what the hell is that? You know? But now when you see it, it's still the same. You're like, what the hell is that? Like, it's an SSR, a Corvette engine in a truck car convertible. Like, come on now. What is happening? It's definitely unique. For me, I'd slam it on the ground, but that's what I do with everything. Slam it low. Or jack it up. Just don't leave it alone. Obviously, mess it up in some way. Anyway, we're going to show you some of the process. We'll get you some more of the videos, so make sure you subscribe so you can see some of the new videos coming out of it. See if this thing kicks my butt or not. See if I can actually do a good job on it. So I'll show it to you. We'll get some up close videos. Some of my competitors out there watching, I'm sure you're going to want to see it. So make sure you tune in. If you're liking and subscribing, please just check it out. All right. Peace out.